Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to chat foreign language keyboard. First of all, go to Play Store app and search here. Just tap on and write Gboard keyboard. Gboard app and install now. Then open, and now just select your language, any other country language, add another language, then add language, select any language, go back and again back, and now just tap on voice typing, and now just enable this, go back. Finally, now I am going to Messenger, and then just tap on here and just tap on chat box, and now tap on and then tap on translate, and then tap on Bengali, select Arabian, and now speaking. Hey guys, see here, and just send. I have finally sent your translated message. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to our channel for another important video. Thank you.